Night. Sorry guys, late recording but night Robert Bolick, ibang klasika, a new meme was born after the Gilas SEA Games and victory was really sweet pagkatapos na no. Sina Jack Warren were uh ano tawag dito? Nagdidila na sila yung I mean they're just happy, gets ko naman.
Yeah,
Pero they taunted at the wrong time. You usually do that at the end. Kung kailan
exactly.
sure na yung panalo. So you just really lit up a fire under Gilas. Said Manzano, welcome to the MPBL. Dun muna daw siya kasi wala tayong draft for the upcoming 2026. Dun muna si Manzano. A ragtag group of Gilas players just made it work, no? They were fun to root for. They were fun to watch. Magulo at times, magulo at most times, but it was fun to root for. Especially nung last game talaga
Mhm.
na the cooking show was happening. But for some reason, just Norman Black and the staff just made sure to keep the players in line, understand what the mission is, got the gold.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Man, I will say this, Jamie Malonzo, if you decide to come back to the PBA, I
You're
doubt they
forgiven.
won't allow you. I truly doubt they won't. Actually, nalagay na ni Coach Tim yung seeds na
Mm.
babalik si Jamie. Sabi niya, I
Uh,
don't think anybody should be punished for wanting to pursue their goals. Andyan na eh. He's
Nandun na.
planting the seeds for the return of Jamie to Ginebra. Malay mo, when we record on Sunday after the Converge game, it was the Jamie Malonzo game pala.
Mm.
Like, bro, it's so funny how, but he played so well talaga. I think he's the one who
Mhm.
sparked the comeback for Gilas Pilipinas. Uh, Honestly, out of all of the people there, he was the one I least expected to do it. I thought it would be Parks, maybe Matthew Wright, maybe 30. But for it to be Jamie is kind of parang poetic justice in some sense na people were saying na, oh, he chose to go to Japan over the Philippines, blah, blah, blah. And then now, when you needed somebody to represent the Philippines the most, he's the one who came through at the end. So, may
Yeah.
pagka-poetic justice yan for Jamie Malondo. So, I'm happy for him.
Mm.
Um, you're right, man. There were a couple of head-scratching plays from Jamie Malonzo. Like, Jamie Malonzo can be the scariest and the most annoying person in fast break situations.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
sometimes he loses the ball, but
Mm.
most of the times, man, he's spectacular. He was great. For a second, I don't know if I was watching Thailand or the 2014 Sanmig Super Coffee Mixers who won the Grand Slam by being friends with the zebras. But brother, in the first half, I really thought that we are done because we were down. Was it 14?
Yeah, we were
14
down
or
by double
15?
digits. Yeah, we were down by double digits,
And
bro.
but the thing is, it doesn't feel like a home game for Thailand. Parang mas marami pang Pinoy dun sa sa arena kaysa sa kaysa sa mga
Yeah,
Thai. Especially outside. The outside talaga sobrang daming
yeah, I saw it.
Pilipino,
I saw
brother.
it. Ang
Uh,
grabe yun.
Grabe talaga yung suporta ng Pilipino pagdating sa basketball. But man, this is just me saying na any country that Cebu Pacific offers piso sale, we should not lose to them on basketball. Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, even Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, those countries, when it's piso sale time, Filipinos go there. We should not lose to them in the sport of basketball. We just do not have the right.
Ah,
So
this
again,
guy making enemies.
the
I hate it.
universal pass. No
I hate it.
disrespect.
That one was actually funny.
No disrespect, brother.
Hindi
No
tayo pwede
disrespect to
sa may
those
pizza sale.
countries. But we just prioritize basketball more than them. In football, they are kings over us. But in basketball, we just love basketball so much. So um, we're just better at them at basketball. There was one player na hindi nakalaro sa kanila because of their rule. Um,
Is it
I
Tyler
saw,
Lamb?
yes, Tyler Lamb. But
Yeah.
even if he played, I mean, if the rule wasn't there, then we would have stomped them to the ground because a lot more players would have been able to play for us. So
Uh,
we're just better than basketball. It's nice to see Coach Norman's system in international play. To be honest with you, I've always been I've always been a fan of Coach Norman. Berto, um, he's clutch. Okay, Nico, you got a gem in Robert Bolick really.
It's the only
He's
gem
good
we
as hell,
have.
his
brother.
free
That guy,
throws.
he has to learn how to pass, brother.
Yeah, well, brother, he's Kaide Ruka. By the way, Mario, you still haven't watched Slam Dunk, I know, but he's Rukawa in Gilas. And that guy's not passing the ball at all.
He didn't. He didn't look at
He's
anybody, dude.
that's right. That's
That's
Kobe
crazy.
Bryant-esque, man, to be honest with you.
May
What he was
bigote.
doing out there.
Out
Right.
there,
Sama
you
puti.
think that.
No, I mean, in terms of shot tracking, like
I got where the I got why, man. But out
yeah,
there.
he just doesn't have any control. But yeah, he
Yeah.
deserves it. When he's hot, he's hot. He's hard to
Yeah. When
stop.
he's hot, he's hot. You're not wrong, but may, it's funny kasi I forgot sino yung announcer. I think it's Kinito. Si Kinito ba yung
No.
commentator?
Could be Dr.
Si
J and the
No, it
help.
was Larry Fonashare and
Sa
at least sa
finals,
Pilipinas Live. It was Larry
si Sir
Fonashare
Sev
and Sir
Sarmiento.
Sev. At least
Yeah,
sa
Sir
Pilipinas
Sev.
Live.
I know it wasn't Sir Sev.
Sir
But
Sev
I
yung
don't
sa
know,
Pilipinas Live.
Hindi ako sure kung finals or the semis. Pero there was one game where the analyst was just hating on Robert Bolick. He was like, okay, kay Bolick yung bola. Di na yan papasa sa kanya na yan.
I
I
think
was
it's
like, oh,
only
damn.
Dr. J can only be so blunt.
Yeah, only Dr. J
No
can
other
have
analyst
the
would do
audacity.
that.
Yeah, I was like, oh, damn,
Mhm.
we're just saying that like out loud. We can just do it. we're
This is Dr.
we're just
J.
casually doing this. All right.
Yeah.
So,
Is this the USA?
like, okay, like he just casually shit on one of our best players. But yeah, it was a game that I
Nagulat ka na
got
lang.
scared at the end, man. I know I got scared at the start. In the middle, it was fun. At the end, I thought it was gonna be cooked all the way. And also, by the way, they tried literally everything humanly possible. Okay, like what's this called? Not allowing so many Filipino players to play. Only
Yeah.
letting Poy Eram come
Last minute.
yeah, last minute siya. And then there were so many names supposed to play. Remy, Kaimani, Mike Phillips,
Brownlee. Even Brownlee.
Brownlee.
Sino pa ba?
So many
Ay.
other sorry, there's so many names. I'm kind
Sobrang
of forgetting.
dami. Nakalimutan na natin.
Kihei Clark was one of the names also.
Mhm.
Like sobrang daming pangalan that could have played, but then they kept changing the rules and everything last minute, whatever. And then even the whistles, grabe yung whistles nung yung first half specifically, ang sama ng tawagan ng first half, man. Yan yung talagang nainis ako. They tried, I believe, everything possible. Kaya nga nabigla ako, may isang play kasi sa dulo na medyo nagkaka-momentum yung Thailand. Who are we going up against? Thailand, right? Yeah,
Thailand.
Thailand. We're going up against
How
Thailand. Medyo
can you forget that, man?
Dude, Thailand you know how you have voice
Piso
man-
Oh, yeah,
Sale,
the
yeah.
piece of sale.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oo.
Oh, yeah, the F4
Yeah.
of Lasal.
You have
okay.
F4 for me, Thailand, Indonesia,
Singapore.
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Basta Southeast Asian country, we all look alike. I'm
Okay.
Parehas lang yan.
Yeah, pare-parehas lang tayo, guys. We all suck against the states. You know, that's how it is. Like, what's called, made part dun na nagkaka-momentum na sila. And then Jamie Malonzo drove to the rim, missed a layup, but he got fouled. He got fouled talaga, but I didn't expect them to call it. Kasi yun nga,
Walang pito sa atin.
Yeah, wala pito sa atin. So I was like, oh shucks. And then they called it. And the whole stadium, I mean, yung mga players ng Thailand were going crazy. And I was just like, it's a foul. I was really surprised that they called it. I'm glad they did, though.
Bro, we have to address something in here. Our end game management against Indonesia and against Thailand, poor, very poor. Like,
The refs have
probably-
been calling so much fouls also. Nung end game.
I agree
Sama.
with that, man. But there were a couple of plays that could have been handled better.
Yeah,
It's the
Bolick.
Southeast.
It's the Bolick step back three, bro. It's the Bolick step back three.
What's with
like-
our fascination of those parang dagger 3-pointer step back, to put the game away, di ba? Like,
Bro, you know how
get
like
better
you kay
shots.
LeBron, yung
yung
you think he's gonna
FU3.
drive, but he's gonna
Yung
like
FU3.
little pussy ass move, yung to the side step 3-pointer. Everybody knows Bolick's gonna do that.
Yeah,
Like it wasn't that hard to read. But yeah, that was the one that it got really close for me at the end, and I got really scared at that point.
yeah, it was too close for comfort for me din na parang although it's nice na nakakahabol ng Southeast Asian countries kasi boring naman kung
Ah,
tatambakan mo lagi na si Kwenta di
tama.
ba?
Masaya naman.
Yung mga ganung bansa. But again, this is not our best lineup. That's probably their best outside of Tyler Lamb. But we have more ammunition coming if you're being realistic about it. I'm so happy that Poy Aram is back. I mean, for a couple of days, I'm happy because, in the PBA, hindi rin naman natin siya mamimit. Tatanggal agad tayo ng Converge. But, man, I'm so happy that he's back. I'm so happy that he was shown with
Loud play.
love by the fans. He
Yeah.
appreciated it. He appreciated it. Sabi niya, sarap pala pag di ba? Chinicheer ka ng fans. Yeah, Poy, huwag mo kasi kaming inaasar eh. I'm so happy
Ba't
for...
ka kasi magaling?
Oo nga, ba't
Tigil mo
kasing
yun.
Hindi mo to
mas magaling ka sa
ginagaslight si Poy Aram.
ba't kasi mas magaling ka sa center namin? But I'm so happy for him. I'm so happy for Cedric Manzano, bro. He has arrived. He's a legitimate.
I'm excited for Sed, man. I'm really excited for Sed.
Yeah, right. So, Coach Norman, hindi nagamit ba si Cedric nung first few games the way he was used in the finals? Yeah, so Coach Norman learned how to use him towards the end in the Vietnam game. I saw him play longer minutes and then eventually nga nung finals, he was in there in crucial moments.
Yeah,
'Di ba
kasi
si Ced?
siya yung bumabantay kay Jack Rowan at some
Oo,
point.
'di ba? So
Galing nga eh. Imagine mo, baguhan. Off
baguhan a
college.
rookie.
Off
Tapos ang
college.
gulang niya, 'di ba?
Magulang
Meron
talaga
siyang
si
mga
Sid. If you watch
sobrang
Adamson games, magulang si Sid.
Magulat talaga si Sed. You would know, Graham, if you used your
Adamson.
pass. You would
Yeah.
know
he's
if you
he's
used your pass.
the
Tawa siya eh. Ano
just
niya mali?
mad. Um, all right. I wish I could turn back the clock, but I probably would not have been to a lot of Adamson games. But man, he's annoyingly magulang. Now, he has a bright future. Yeah, you're right. Magstay mo siya sa MPBL for a year because there won't be any draft. But the future is really, really bright for him. But I'm just so sad to see Jamie Malonzo play that well because we could really use a guy like that. I mean, over Jeremiah Gray, but man, he deserves spot in the PBA. Like, forgive him, Come Willie. Your league is not really at its best, so you cannot blame people for not staying in the Philippines. But he deserves a PBA spot, si Jamie Malonzo.
Bro, if he asks to come back right now, what do you think happens? Do you think they say no?
I think they say no. I think they'll stand on whatever they said.
Think they'll stand on business?
Just say
Yeah.
no for 2 weeks and sabihin nila the board approves. Tapos,
Yeah.
Bro,
Luis
this
lang.
is alam mo this is going to be this is going to be really big if pabayaan na si Jamie makabalik because that means they don't honor their word. Next thing you know, Gio Chu is in the SMC Corp. I mean, in SMC camp already. If that
Yeah,
happens.
Are you not expecting that to happen?
I am expecting that too.
Yeah, I know what
But
you're talking about.
yeah, bro, other than Jamie, who are we missing? Matthew Wright, brother, dead shot from the outside.
Yeah, I was expecting more from Matthew, if I'm being honest with you. I
He's
thought
okay naman.
I thought
He
I
was
thought he
alright.
would be one of the bigger players for us in this tournament, but wasn't his best tournament, and I think even he will say that. But again, doesn't really fully matter at the end of the day, because I truly believe we played well as a team, and all that matters at the end of the day was that they ended up pulling it out. I truly wished I could have seen more VJ pre.
Yeah, I was about to go there, man.
I
The
was
games were
really
close
hoping to see VJ
Kaya hindi
pre.
rin siya maano agad. Pero imagine mo, no? Well, he's the youngest there because I was gonna say Sed, but like, oh yeah, Sed just graduated.
Yeah, I was really, really hoping to see him a bit more than how much they used him. But if you're gonna ask me if I'm surprised that he didn't play as much, not really. You always go with your big guns first. And I think yung sa matchup ni Sed and VJ, I think mas ano pa lang si Sed kasi mas built to body up against Jack Rawan kaya naging ganun.
Yeah, I also wish we saw a little bit more of BJ pre, but we will see a lot of him next year for sure. The other guy that I want to parang appreciate is 30. Like
Yes, we're going to 30. Hindi natin
30
kalimutan.
30 had nothing to gain in this tournament. If he played well, okay, 30 played well.
Bashers pa rin
If
eh.
he did
Bakit?
not play well, the bashers would have been there. So, we at this point we owe it to 30 for even showing up and wearing our national team jersey, because he cannot do anything right to some people's eyes. Yeah. So um I really like seeing 30 Ravenna again. I mean, this is probably the last if and unless he gets selected sa Gilas pool
I
by the
don't think
grumpy
so
old
though under
man.
Coach Tim. I don't think
Yeah.
bagay siya kay Coach Tim though.
Yeah.
Sila Matthew Wright
Okay.
bagay. Ray
Yeah.
Parks bagay.
Ray Parks.
Ray
Ray
Parks,
Parks
yeah, we
bagay.
forgot to talk about Ray Parks, man. He was Ray Parks is just that guy na he's always there. Like if you need 15 points, Ray Park's gonna give you 15 points. If you need 20 points, Ray Park's gonna give you 15 points. If you need 25, Ray Park's gonna give you 15 points. He's just consistent. That's just what Bobby Ray Parks is for you. And taking Zainab to Thailand, man, that has to feel special. It's just consistent.
He's consistent. Dude, again, this is the funniest part to me is that TNT could be so much worse, so much better with Bobby Ray Parks even in their lineup. Like imagine how full TNT, how good TNT would be if all of their players stayed. Mikey, what's his name? Mikey, Bobby Ray, and all that. But
Wasn't
That's
Terence
disgusting
Romeo?
already.
Wasn't Terence Romeo TNT?
he
Yeah,
was
Terence
TNT.
He
Romeo.
was
But that was
TNT.
that was the fat version of Terence Romeo.
Yeah, medyo
that was the
nagka-controversy nga yun, di ba? Parang that's why, parang, ba't tumaba ito?
yeah.
Yeah.
That
But
was
man,
he did.
Ray Parks in TNT right now with Jordan Heading. That's disgusting, bro.
Yeah, with Jordan Heading, I agree. That would be absolutely disgusting. But going back to the game, man, I want to just bring this up before we all we all go and all that shit. Dude,
Mhm.
these people cannot keep crying foul. If the Filipinos were mayabang, or if Bolik was funniest celebration of all time, by the way. Wala na siyang binantayan nung panahon na yun. Nakaganon na siya the whole time. Like you guys can hit the three, I don't give a flying whatever, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna do my celebration. You guys cannot cry foul after the flexing you did in the first half, after the rule changes you put in place to make it harder for everybody to succeed. You cannot cry foul after that, dude. If you cry foul, you just look so stupid. And so many people are crying foul, right? Um the players that may players from
Thailand.
the Thailand side who were like, oh,
Thailand
they
lang
have
naman.
5 imports. All of those people there are Filipino. Okay?
Tama.
They literally are Filipino. I know they may not look like it, but they genuinely actually are. I understand na may mga iba talaga na hindi talaga Filipino, but we call them that. But these people who we actually sent are actually Filipino.
Yeah.
Got the
Like
passport before 16. These are
yeah,
the
That
guys.
guy. That
like
guy's
it,
already
Parks knows how to.
crying.
Parks played college ball with NU.
yeah, Parks played in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Robert Bolick speaks better Filipino than me.
Actually,
Mhm.
Bisaya si Robert.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Matthew Wright is well, to be fair, I understand their qualms with Matthew Wright. He does speak a lot of English. But dude, who else can they say are the imports there? Jamie Malonzo. Jamie Malonzo's been studying in the Philippines for the longest time.
Lasal.
He's been
He was
playing for
Lasal.
Ginebra. Yeah, he's been playing for Ginebra, man. 30 Ravenna is Filipino. Dalf Panopio, I think is
Phil Italian. Pero
yeah, Phil
he
Italian.
grew up in Italy pero pure Pinoy.
This guy he grew up in Italy.
He-
He grew up in Italy.
did I say that? Did
Yeah,
I do that?
he
Oh my
grew up
god.
in Italy. Like you just naturally did that or
That
something.
that guy, bro, that guy was crying You have not even seen Kamani Ladi and Mike Phillips in there, brother.
Oo nga pala.
They weren't. That
Brother,
wasn't even the troop
yeah.
that
If you guys
you know.
wanted the real, yung mabigating Phil-Ams, we can bring the mabigating Phil-Ams if you want. We'll put out Kayman Niladi, we'll put out Mike Phillips, we'll put out John T. Miller. Who else do they
Yeah,
want us to put in to bring
Dami.
out there, man? We'll put
yeah.
Brownlee out there, we'll put Kwame, we'll put Diouf. What else do you want us to
Actually, si
do?
Malik pwede din.
Yeah,
Both
we can
right.
put Malik if we wanted.
Yeah,
Like,
but
dude,
yeah.
don't cry foul after you lost, man. You were doing all this and all that shit. When you were up, then when you were down, you start crying. Stop it, dude. Don't do
And
this.
they were like the 2023 Memphis Grizzlies, man. With Dylan
Oh.
Brooks and Jamoran, the corny
Oo nga
ass
pala.
dancing before the game.
Hey, man,
And
if you were
then
a Memphis fan, you wouldn't find that corny.
that's what I'm saying.
Ah,
I'm not a Thailand
oh.
fan. So I find it corny.
Tama si Graham.
Yeah, man, di ba parang you show both and everything, you front run, and then in the end, when you lose, when we give you belt to ass, you're gonna be crying.
Yeah.
All right, you're right about that, Mario. So you better accept defeat with grace. I mean, it's okay if we beat you and obviously luto, but it's the other way around. Niluto nyo na nga eh, di ba? Hindi
Yeah.
nanalo pa rin kami. Which is better with your basketball, di ba? I mean, mas malakas yung passport nyo sa amin, di ba? Are we crying about that? Or what? Because we suck as a country, and you guys don't. Probably don't. I don't know. So, at the end of the day, it's just basketball. It's just the SEA Games. I mean, we're the best in this region of the world for a reason. So,
Yeah, there was even one athlete who posted about it online where she was like, please remember that you're representing the country, so don't be too mayabang. Hello! You started it. What are we doing, dude? Like, and at the
Nagretaliate
same
lang
time, I don't know if
actually.
you guys watched the women's game. By the way, congrats, Gilas Women's also
yeah,
got
Yeah,
congrats,
congrats din.
women's.
Yeah.
yeah. At the end of that game, this one Thai player or Indonesian player, I don't know, I'm so sorry, just shoved our guard in the back straight up onto the floor. And then they want us to be like, oh yeah, it's fine, dude. We're just gonna take it. Like we're not, like, what the heck? We're not pussies. We're gonna fight back. Like, dude, what are we doing? This is dumb. It's dumb for them to believe that we'll just take that shit lying down. And we shouldn't take that shit lying down, and we didn't take that shit lying down, and that's a good thing.
But bro, alam mo, we're probably 2 or 3 SEA Games away from really being pushed to the limit. Like we cannot, like what I mean is in Southeast Asian games, what we have to bring in is a real national team. Hindi na pwede yung ganito. The competition is slowly catching up. I said it earlier. So there will be a time na kailangan na natin ipadala talaga yung national team natin with our main guys.
Pero mahirap yun
Uh,
because there's the FIBA schedule. Anong tawag dito? Walang FIBA break. So hindi makakasama yung mga B-League boys, hindi makakasama yung KBL. So I'm always gonna expect na kulang lagi tayo.
Alright.
Pero at least siguro yung
Yeah.
main core, but without the without the B-League and KBL boys, so that's almost half of the team. Di ba, Mario?
Yeah,
That's
yun
almost
nga
half
eh.
of the team.
So, yun
So
yung,
I'm
yun
kind
yung
of
mahirap
confused
dun.
actually. Can somebody just? I'm kind of confused if the people in the comment section could explain it to me. Are Bobby Ray Parks and Matthew Wright no longer on any Japanese team?
Bobby
I
is.
so they just let him play?
That's a good question Matthew, alam ko wala na. Alam ko Matthew sa free agent. At
Okay, okay, but why
pero
would
kay
Is-
Bobby, alam ko.
Isn't
Maybe not.
Matthew Wright watching
Hey
PBA
Mario,
games
that's your
when
wheelhouse.
before?
You should know what's happening in the B
Yeah,
League,
that's why
man.
because I know Bobby Ray Parks plays for Nagoya.
So
That's
siguro
why
pinayagan?
I
He's
don't
one
know
of their
why
best
he.
scorers pa nga eh. Diba?
Yeah, I
Top
mean
3
no,
si
I
Bobby
mean
Ray.
no, he's not. But then like,
Hindi ba siya
he's
top
still
3?
part of the team.
Top 3 scorer siguro.
Bobby Ray? No, he's not. He's not. He's not.
With the team, not the whole
He's
B
not.
League
Yeah, yeah, I know he's not. He's not. He's not.
Anyway.
Like,
Okay.
dude, I'm kind of curious. I don't know the full ruling of it. If somebody can explain that, that would
So either
be
pinayagan lang, Mario. Feel ko pinayagan.
probably pinayagan siya. But I'm more on the side now. Wow, pinayagan siya. You know what I mean?
Kasi season's
Like,
ongoing. Binabayaran ka
yeah,
namin, diba?
yeah.
Yeah, this
Ah,
not FIBA sanction
Ano?
pala. Ano?
uh, free agent
Free
siya?
agent si Bobby? Bobby Ray?
Oh.
Okay, that makes
Oh,
more sense na kung ganun. Na nakapunta siya.
Yeah, kasi si
free.
Matthew free agent eh, di ba? Kaya siya nakalaro. Okay.
He plays
Well,
for Osaka now. Uh,
wow.
Osaka, Evesa, Bobby Ray Parks. He does play for Osaka now. But
Osaka na siya.
yeah,
That's
but
weird.
he's still under contract. So I don't really understand it. I don't really know how it works, but whatever. Let us know na lang, guys. Actually, see, he's even in their, he's even in their official lineup. So yeah, they let him ano lang talaga. They really just let him.
Pinayagan lang talaga.
Pinayagan
Very
natin
rare,
siguro.
no? That's rare.
That's nice for him to do. Matthew,
Baka,
I guess he's Matthew is probably free agent, and I know 3D is no longer with that Dubai team sa
They
EuroLeague.
let him go na a month
Yeah.
ago.
baka yung kay Bobby Ray is parang Bronny James has been relegated to the South Bay Lakers. Ganun. Ang inano muna siya. Nirelegate muna siya to
The national.
something like that. Or Dalton Connect been relegated to the South Bay Lakers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Interesting. I mean, the PBA it wasn't as big of a margin as I hoped for, but it's hard to beat the refs as the 2014 Rain or Shiny Last the Painters who got cooked by Cammy Coffee. But yeah, it is our sport. This is we are the best at this region, man. For a reason.
Yeah.
Hard to beat us.
Yeah.
Where's the next SEA Games?
Hindi ko alam. Cambodia?
That's
Is it
gonna.
Cambodia?
Di ba kakatapos na sa kanila?
Hindi ko alam. I don't know. Can you search?
Alright, 27.
Kailan pa ba tayo? In 4 years
Oh,
pa
it's
ba
in
tayo?
Malaysia. Okay, it's
Malaysia
another
next.
piece of
Oh,
sale.
it's nice in
Another
Malaysia.
piece of sale country, so should win again.
Lahat naman na sa Southeast Asian games, piece of country. Ako ba?
Okay.
Alright. Games, buddy.
Alright. Okay. PG should continue winning then.
Sino pa ba? Who else did we not give their flowers in this SEA Games team?
Talking about Dalf for a second, right?
Dalf was okay. He was a steady point guard off the bench.
He was.
Backing up Bolik.
See the hype now with Dalf.
Steady
he's good.
point guard lang. Steady point guard si Dalf.
Yes. He is. Alright, we're good. Anything else? No. I think we talked about everyone.
Yeah.
Poy Eram, I'm really happy for Poy Eram. It's been
a cheer. First time mo makarinig na nag-cheer siya ng tao.
I never hated Poy Eram off the court. On the court, yeah.
Off
the court, man, no. Off the court, no. No, brother. I don't hate Poy Eram off the court. I'm willing to sacrifice, whatever you want me to bet on. I don't hate him off the court. On the court, though, oh, boy, you don't want to hear the words that I yell from the upper back section, man. So I'm gonna say.
I don't hate Poyeram ka pa dyan.
Off the court, brother, no. I'm genuine about that.
Sure, buddy.
Yeah. There's only one player I hate off the court, that's Dylan MF Brooks, but that's okay.
I'm so sick. Anyway.
Alright. Congrats, Gilas.
Alright, congrats Gilas, and hope to see, ako naman, I want to see Parks, Matthew Wright, Alonzo, maybe being considered in the near future, just to be included in the pool of consideration. Yun lang naman.
Kala ko
Just to
sa
be in the pool.
PBA.
Alam mo.
As long as it's Coach Tim, there's probably a couple of names that you mentioned that will not see the pool. But yeah,
Sadly.
it is what it is.
But yeah, a nice Gilas team to root for. Iconic na rin, to say the least, no, because of what happened in the final game. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Very quick episode lang naman. Abangan nyo yung mga PBA podcast namin kasi it's the playoffs. So we're gonna be recording whenever we can. Kasi the games matter na. We'll see you all next time. Nico, Mario, and Graham here. Follow 5-star rating Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Ay, by the way, shout out Coach Topex. He said that he watches the podcast. Kita kami nung...
Oh, nice!
Kita kami ni Coach Topex. So sabi niya, pasabi hi to Mario and Graham. Sabi ni Coach Topex. When I was
you're
in the
welcome,
SGA.
Coach Topex.
in the SGA Christmas party. So yeah, yun lang naman guys. Thank you so much.
You're
Peace.
welcome. Adios, amigos.